Hi guys, I am Kasum. Hello, I welcome you for my channel and welcome you for my new video. Today I appear before you to introduce about the new Mclaren P1. Okay, let's check out the new Mclaren P1. Mclaren P1 is the world premier best hybrid hypercar from the Mclaren Automotive. And the Mclaren P1, it is the one of rarest modern hybrid hypercars. And the Mclaren P1 had been limited the production to 375 units with option for the customers to customize their Mclaren P1 with Mclaren Special Operation MSO. And the Mclaren P1 were hand built at rate of 1 car per day. And the first Mclaren P1 delivery in October 2013. And the production officially ending in December 2015. Okay, let's check out the engine performance of new Mclaren P1. Okay, the new Mclaren P1 had been powered by 3.8 liter twin turbocharged V8 and with the 7th speed transmission with 7th speed gearbox, and that's make 903 horsepower with the 900 Newton meters of torque. And the Mclaren P1 is able to pick up 0 to 100 kilometers or 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, and the 0 to 200 kilometers per hour or 0 to 124 miles per hour in just 6.8 seconds. And the Mclaren P1 could be driven as top speed 375 kilometers per hour or 233 miles per hour. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video and subscribe my channel for more videos and new video coming soon.